Have you ever wondered if your thoughts could shape your reality? What if I told you that by simply believing in your dreams, you could actually make them come true? Welcome to our channel, Psychology and Prosperity. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the law of attraction and how you can start manifesting your desires today. Make yourself comfortable and we'll begin. The law of attraction is based on a simple yet profound principle, like attracts like. This means that whatever you focus on, whether positive or negative, will be drawn into your life. Think of your mind as a magnet, attracting the energy that aligns with your thoughts and emotions. By understanding and harnessing this power, you can bring about incredible changes in your life. Imagine waking up every morning feeling excited about the day ahead, because you have the power to shape it. This is the magic of the law of attraction. It's not just wishful thinking. It's a way of living that can transform your entire existence. But how do you start using it effectively? First, let's talk about clarity. Before you can manifest your dreams, you need to be clear about what you truly want. Take a moment to reflect on your desires. Write them down in a journal. Be specific and detailed. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," define what success looks like to you. Is it a thriving career, a happy family, or financial freedom? Once you've identified your goals, it's time to visualize them. Visualization is a powerful tool in the law of attraction. Close your eyes and imagine your desired outcome as if it's already happening. Picture yourself living your dream life. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the stronger the magnetic pull of your thoughts. Let's take an example. Imagine you want to manifest a new job. Picture yourself walking into your ideal workplace. See the friendly faces of your colleagues, feel a sense of accomplishment as you complete tasks, and hear the words of praise from your boss. The more you immerse yourself in this vision, the more you'll align your energy with the reality you want to create. Another essential aspect of the law of attraction is positive thinking. Your thoughts are incredibly powerful. If you constantly focus on negativity and doubt, you'll attract more of the same. Instead, practice positive affirmations. These are simple, positive statements that you repeat to yourself daily. For example, "I am worthy of success. I attract abundance," or "I am surrounded by love." Affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become ingrained in your mind, shaping your reality. Try starting each day with a few minutes of affirmations. Look in the mirror and speak them with conviction. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your mindset and consequently in your life. Now let's talk about action. While thoughts and emotions are crucial, they must be accompanied by action. The law of attraction is not about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It's about taking inspired action towards your goals. When you align your actions with your desires, you create a powerful synergy that accelerates the manifestation process. Think of it this way. If you want to attract a healthier lifestyle, you can't just think about being fit. You need to exercise and eat well. Similarly, if you want to attract financial abundance, you need to manage your finances wisely and seek opportunities to increase your income. The key is to take steps that move you closer to your goals, no matter how small they may seem. One common pitfall people encounter is focusing on the lack rather than the abundance. It's easy to get caught up in thoughts of what you don't have. However, this only attracts more lack into your life. Instead, practice gratitude. By appreciating what you already have, you shift your focus from scarcity to abundance. Every day, make it a habit to write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big. Even small blessings count. This practice helps you cultivate a positive mindset and attracts more reasons to be grateful. For example, If you're grateful for your supportive family, you'll attract more love and support into your life. Another effective technique is to create a vision board. This is a collage of images and words that represent your goals and dreams. Place it somewhere you'll see it every day, like your bedroom or office. A vision board serves as a constant reminder of what you're working towards and keeps you focused and motivated. As you continue on your manifestation journey, it's important to remain patient and persistent. The law of attraction doesn't work overnight. It requires consistent effort and belief. There will be times when you face challenges and setbacks, but don't let them deter you. Trust that the universe is working in your favor, even if you can't see the results immediately. It's also essential to surround yourself with positive influences. The people you interact with and the environment you live in can significantly impact your energy. Seek out supportive friends and mentors who uplift you and encourage your dreams. Avoid negative influences that drain your energy or make you doubt yourself. Let's take another example. Imagine you're trying to manifest a loving relationship. Surround yourself with people who exemplify the qualities you seek in a partner. Spend time with friends who are in healthy relationships and learn from their experiences. By immersing yourself in an environment of love and positivity, you increase your chances of attracting a similar relationship into your life. The law of attraction also teaches us the importance of letting go. Sometimes we hold on to our desires so tightly that we create resistance. It's crucial to trust the process and release any attachment to the outcome. This doesn't mean giving up on your dreams. It means having faith that everything will unfold in the right time and manner. A practical way to practice letting go is through meditation. Spend a few minutes each day in quiet reflection. Focus on your breath and let go of any tension or worries. Visualize your desires, then release them into the universe with trust and faith. This practice helps you cultivate a sense of peace and detachment, allowing the law of attraction to work more effectively. Now let's look at how the law of attraction has impacted real lives. Many successful people attribute their achievements to this powerful principle. For instance, Arnold Schwarzenegger, a renowned actor, politician, and former bodybuilder, has frequently discussed his use of visualization and positive thinking. He credits much of his success to the power of believing in his goals and relentlessly focusing on achieving them, turning his dreams into reality through the law of attraction. Similarly, actor Jim Carrey used the law of attraction to manifest his dream of becoming a successful actor. He famously wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered and dated it for Thanksgiving 1995. Just before that date, he received a $10 million payment for his role in the movie Dumb and Dumber. His story is a testament to the power of belief and visualization. These examples show that the law of attraction is not just a theory, it's a way of life that can bring about real, tangible results. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires, you can create the life you've always dreamed of. The key is to remain consistent, positive, and proactive in your approach. To help you get started, here's a simple exercise. Take a moment to think about one specific goal you want to achieve. Write it down in clear, concise terms. Then, create a daily affirmation related to that goal. Repeat this affirmation every morning and evening. Visualize your goal as already achieved and feel the emotions associated with it. Over time, you'll start to notice shifts in your mindset and circumstances. Remember, the law of attraction is a journey, not a destination. It's about embracing a positive and proactive mindset, taking inspired action, and trusting the process. As you continue to practice these principles, you'll attract more opportunities, abundance, and happiness into your life. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the law of attraction. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Share your thoughts on the law of attraction, and let us know if you've tried any of the techniques we discussed today. And don't miss our next video, where we look at the 10 strangest modern superstitions you won't believe exist. We'll delve into some of the most bizarre and intriguing beliefs people hold today, from unusual rituals to bizarre habits. You'll learn how these modern superstitions affect people's lives in unexpected ways. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and may positivity and prosperity always be with you. Take care and see you next time.